So I'm making some red curry tonight, but with that, I'm having some jasmine rice. I'm going to teach you how to make that. A lot of you are doing it wrong. Let's throw those rice cookers away, and I'll show you how to make it with a pot and a lid perfect every time. So for every cup of jasmine rice, you want 1.5 cups of water. That is for the cooking process. First, we have to wash our rice. I'm going to prepare 3 cups of rice. 1, 2, 3. First thing you want to do is rinse this rice off, wash it really well. And that's going to get all the dust off it. It's not the starch, folks, it's the dust that's on the rice. Wash it really well. I'm going to wash this twice. It's washed twice. Now I'm going to remove all this water. And measure my water, 1.5 cups times 3. I have my 3 cups of rice and my 4.5 cups of cold water in my pot on high heat. I'm going to bring it to a boil without the lid and stir it every few moments until it comes up to a full boil. Rice is up to a full boil. I'm going to stir it, make sure nothing's sticking on the bottom. I'm going to add a generous pinch of salt. I'm going to put the lid on, turn the heat down to low, time it for 12 minutes. When 12 minutes is up, I'm going to let it rest off the heat for 5 minutes and then fluff it up with a fork and enjoy it. Perfect rice every time, no rice cooker required.